In this question, they are saying ethane with molecular formula C2H6 has 6 covalent bond, 7 covalent bond, 8 covalent bond, 9 covalent bond. This is being asked. So, what is ethane? चलो देखते हैं. Can I say ethane is nothing but carbon जो है, okay. So ethane is something where carbon is holding a single bond with carbon and एक एक बॉन्ड सेटिस्फाइड है, बाकी जो है वो हम किससे सेटिस्फाई करते, हाइड्रोजन से. सो हियर यू कैन सी we have total 7 bond, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So yes, option B is the correct answer. Ethane with molecular formula C2H6 has 7 covalent bond. Okay, so I hope solution was clear to you all. Thank you.